Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Said pull up. Run it back. Said pull up. I said pull up. Said pull up. Said pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah. We get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I been getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tires squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. To the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Mad Skills University, and today I want to talk to you about my catwalk video. I received a lot of requests about this video, a quick how-to tips, but I think when I'm done, you'll see how I did this, and you can replicate this yourself or do your own. In terms of the video asset, what I tried to do here is just work on track number 1, and then if I have, say, video clip number 4 here, if I'm on track number 2, and I started with 4, that means that goes over that video clip. And it's just an idea, but the first thing you want to do is get your first tracks laid out, and that goes over to about right here. And that's 25 videos. And then you can work on track number 2 and number 3, but make sure track number 1 plays correctly first. That's going to entail is you making your cuts on all these tracks first. Then once this plays, then you'll get an idea. And what I did was I provided all the video assets below. I hope they all fit. If they don't, I'll create a PDF and put it on the cloud. But this is your track 1 and your single layer, then you got multiple layers. So the first couple of clips here, the first 3 are just single, and then we go into multiple layers. And that's how I did that. And they're laid out in order. Here's your first break, your second break, your breaks right here. I tried to really get this right. And then you go to track number 2, the lady waving the money right here, and then this lady walking with her hat on the beach, and that's right there. She has the pool and the hat going on. And this is track number 4, and there's only 1 video clip here. And I tried to get this right. If I missed a few things, sorry about that. As far as organizing this, I came up with this. The workflow came later, and that's my numbers 1 through whatever. 40, 30 videos, but of course diamonds, anything dealing with money, the verse, and anybody walking. That's how I organize my file, just to give you an FYI. And all the effects I use, glitches, and these came from the Visual VFX. So I'm going to show you how I did this without Visual VFX, and then I did a video which I linked below on how I did incorporate the Visual VFX in there with the really smooth and just seamless transitions they have, and they're really phenomenal, so definitely check that out. Get all the tracks or videos in track number 1 down first, and you should get something like this, and just cut them to order. And if you notice, the timing I use is 1, 2, 3. I had to do a speed bump or speed ramp on that video. It was just too long. A lot of these videos are really long, so keep that in mind. I also sped ramp this one at the end to put the glasses on her face faster. So this video clip, I cut it in 2 different pieces. That's the second piece of that. I started this one late. I just wanted her to look up and smile. And then I started this one. As soon as she touched her hair, I cut it. This part of the clip came at the end. So go to the end if you want this. That's the part I thought was really cool. And this one, 1, 2, 3 seconds. So look at 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. 5 seconds is going to be a hero. This is your first break. And that's the lady walking in the garage. And then you'll have a second break. And a lot of these clips are slow anyway, so it makes it easier. But just whatever clips you're using, just make your appropriate cuts. And make sure you can flow your video first. And here's where I did a chop thing. I'll show you how I did that. All I did here was cut this video into 3 different sections and zoomed in each section. A little bit in each section, more and more and more. And there were actually 3 women in this clip, and I just used 2. And as you can see, there's a lot of fades. And here all you do is line 2 clips up. You may say 3 cuts, and then just delete every other clip on the bottom and then on the top. And here we just started over, sort of, so on this bottom clip. And this is the chorus, so things run over again. Okay, so once we know that our video flows pretty good, then we'll go to the second track here. And what I put on compositing is add. You can adjust that. And then you go over to this clip, luminosity. And I just changed the compositing, and that will be normal. Luminosity, and that's 2 separate clips, so I just cut that clip. I did a few clips like that, like even down here, these are 2 separate clips, but from the same video, like so, just a cut here. As we go over, we have add, and this should have an effect. So here I put in a camera shake, and you can get the TR camera shake. Actually, the TR camera shake with the other camera shake looks pretty good too. Add there, and we'll scroll down a little bit and just see what else I did here. And then over here on this video clip, let me play that for a sec. All I did was on each cut, I just zoomed in on her a little bit more. So see, there's a little zoom. That's all I did there. And then here, we have another camera shake. And these are normal because I have compositing up here. So let's go over a little bit more. I'm going to show you how I did a few things here. So let's go over here. So we have an add there. Then here all I did was took these clips, made sure they were the same duration, and then I made those cuts like I did the other clip where I just moved them forward, but I deleted just every other one. That's all I did there. Here is the same thing. I have these multiple cuts, and I zoomed in more and more as they got closer. So go up here to zoom and just zoom in more. That's it. On this compositing, I changed it to add, and that's how they faded in and faded out and how she came in because of the fades here. And see how the fades match? Let's go a little bit more. Same again, cut in every other clip. Another add for compositing. And this just repeats itself. Let's go look at track number 3. There's only a few here. And track number 4 is normal. She just fades in and fades out. On this one with the money, I have color burn. And then let's go over to this one. Add. Another add there. And let's go over. normal, and that's normal. And then I told you I did a speed bump on a few clips. I showed you what those clips were, and that's pretty much it.